This is a special national announcement. How does 47% off sticker for a Class A diesel sound to you? People from all around the country are going to want to get in on this deal. If you've been waiting for an amazing deal on a Class A diesel motorhome, Campers Inn RV of Merrimack, New Hampshire has an unbelievable deal for you. We have a new 2023 Fleetwood Discovery 38K. That's right, I said new. It only has 1,225 miles on it, most of which was on the ride from the factory. It sits on a Freightliner XCM chassis with a Cummins 360, 800 pound-feet of torque, and an Allison 3000 series transmission that tows 10,000 pounds. It has heated floors, an Aquahot hydronic heating system, dishwasher, bath and a half, and so much more. Follow me as we tour around this fabulous Class A, and remember, it's 47% off. Okay, folks, let's take a walk around this 2023 Fleetwood Discovery 38K. It's on the Freightliner Custom Freedom Bridge chassis, exclusively for Fleetwood. Love this paint job, the maroon over the black and the silver. And I love the fact that it has this awning as you're coming in the door. So that's an awning that's just going to be able to keep you dry when you're transferring to your car or maybe into the awning area. You can slide right on over. Let's not forget the 47-inch TV outside. That's real handy to watch the game when you're out at the campsite. You have fuel on both sides, of course, in the Alcoa custom wheels for the Freightliner. And I love the way they light this chassis. There's something really unique around this chassis. It is a raised rail, as they do in a lot of other high quality RVs, but look how high that rail is. It is literally giving 30 inches above this slide tray, and you can access that from either side. And if you want to get a really good idea of how big that storage is, take a look in here. It has this amazing bridge look, and maybe that's why they called it the bridge. But yeah, it opens right up, and here's your central vac. You're going to be your surge protector is built in here. You're also your solar controller, so you have a lot of electrical controllers right here. Easy access. As you're coming across, you have your inverter that's built in, or your hydraulics. Real easy access, so you can maintain that hydraulic system when you need to. As you come around the back, I just love how beautiful this finish is. Wanted to give you an idea how nice and sleek this is. So they put a dryer vent right here, and you could barely see it because of the way it's designed. And as you sneak up underneath over here, take a look at the water station with the inline water filter. You can do everything you need to do from winterization. It also has the integrated electrical cord in here. It's an auto wind, and it kind of tucks away. I'm going to slide right over because I told you earlier it had a hydronic heating system. Well, this is tankless hot water as well as a hydronic heating system, and easy access to change the filter and or fuel injector as needed. You can get at that washer fluid for your windshield, and it has an air chuck. So if you ever need to add a little air to your tires, you have your onboard air compressor. As you come in here, you're going to be looking to the left, and you have your power buttons over here. And then right here is a little touch screen. You can turn all your lights on and off from here. You can scroll over. You can adjust maybe the awning. And you come into these beautifully appointed leatherette seats with the Discovery logo sewn right into the headrest. They are electric, so you can control all the adjustments on the seats with just a push of a button. And as you can see, we're on a Freightliner chassis, and it has that smart screen for you, so it can do all your tire pressure monitoring. You can see all the readings for your air systems, oil temperature, and pressure as well. You have controls for your cruise control over here on the right, and on the left, you can access all the different screen settings. And a little bit to your right here, not only do you have your side view and rear view cameras set up over here, you also have a big screen so you can integrate your phone, all the apps and everything that you need, radio, all accessible right from there. As you look a little bit higher, there's a nice TV and sound system built right into the cabinetry up above. Of course, you have the electric MCD shades to be able to control those, so you can just, dim it out a little bit if the sun's too bright, or you can black it out completely. But more importantly, you have a mobilized system. and it's a nice alarm system that's going to, help prevent a lot of potential accidents. But take a look around here. Look at the lovely appointed kitchen. Absolutely beautiful with all the crown molding over here, all the raised panels, all the polished nickel, all the fixtures, solid surface counters, undermount stainless sink, and beautiful residential appointments over here, including this ceramic tile backsplash area with the kitchen window. I have the induction burner, which is nice and handy. And if you look a little bit below, you're going to see that it has a washer for your dishes. So that's really handy. Of course, Uncle Bernie doesn't want to be scrubbing dishes. And here's a drawer full of remotes. It looks like you have a few different things to operate here. There's a lot going on, but lots and lots of storage, right? And look there's enough room to put a basket underneath, which they actually provide. And they don't waste an inch. They give you something over here where you can slide in some extra pans or some cleaning supplies, and lots of drawers, and an extra built-in pantry over here by the refrigerator. And I love the fact that it has these nice pull-out drawers in here as well. So that way you can access those big boxes of cereal without knocking everything over or taking everything out just to get at it. Makes it so much easier. And look at the size of this amazing residential refrigerator. Absolutely huge French door refrigerator. And as I was kind of walking by here, it kind of gave me a second to look up, and look at how well appointed the lighting, indirect lighting, and decorative ceiling designs that are up there. It's just so beautiful. And it has 3 of these Mark II Whisper Quiet ACs. And then as you're going above the dinette workstation area over here, you can see that that's actually really nice as well. Yeah, and it looks like this table might pull out a little bit. There's a little bit of a handle here, and it just give it a little bit of a tug, and it gains about 2 feet, and that opens it up nicely so you can put 4 chairs here nice and easily if you'd like. And then there's a locking mechanism just to ensure that that table doesn't slide out while you're traveling. And a huge sleep sofa over here. And what's great about it, it has 3 seat belts here as well. So your passengers could sit right here, maybe watch a movie or, watch a video on YouTube, and it kind of bumps you right into the central vac system. And it happens to be right in the middle of the coach. We have a stackable washer and dryer. There's 2 bathrooms here. One's a half bath we're going to check out right now. And this is just perfect for Uncle Bernie in the morning. And you come in here, you have a porcelain toilet on a little bit of a pedestal. You have lots of storage all around, room for towels and toiletries and things that you might need, cleaning supplies and everything, and GFI plugs. And it already has the towel racks all built in. And of course, they integrated some AC ducts in here as well. As we come into the bedroom, this is the best room in the house for sure. You have his and hers, huge closets over here. There's the extra 2 chairs that go along with the dinette. And then you have a smart TV, and this opens up and you can put all your guns and money back here. And then you have this vanity area. This vanity area is a good place to put your clothes out for the next day. Or, someone might want to put some of their toiletries and things that they want in the middle of the night. Might be a glass of water. Now look at this beautiful king bed. Obviously, it has the incline feature so you can sit up in bed and watch a movie. Look at the way it's so nicely appointed. They're not cheating here in the bedroom. They're giving it their all to make sure that it has the elegance and even, I can call it opulence, in this bedroom area. Now, as you're sliding back, this is the master bath area. Look at all that counter space. Just absolutely amazing. Tons and tons of room for linens and things that you might need in the bathroom. Those are all adjustable shelves. You have 3 huge drawers right here, 2 more cabinets there, 2 medicine cabinets, and another Max Air fan, porcelain toilet over here, and a good window. Tons of places to hang all your towels that you're going to need, the his and hers room, including the toilet paper. And every room has these little touch pads in it that are more specific to the particular area that you're in. So that way, You can access what you need when you need it. And let's take a quick peek in the shower. It is a one-piece fiberglass shower, has the built-in areas that you can put soap and shampoo, and it has a nice skylight, adjustable shower head. Look at the 2023 Fleetwood Discovery 38K. If you're interested in this deal opportunity or know someone who may be, call me, Uncle Bernie, at Campers in RV at 603-883-1082. I'll help you personally. If I can't, I'll make sure you get the best RV matchmaker in the building.